Hello everyone there and welcome to my channel and I am 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙬 and in this video we are going to know how to find a password of a Wi-Fi network or cracking a Wi-Fi network. So let's get started and we are going to do this in CMD in Windows or terminal in Mac and terminal in Linux. So let's get started. So now I am going to open CMD or command prompt in Windows. You can also open terminal if you are a Mac OS user or Linux user. So let me open the CMD, and after opening you need to get the network or network profile. So for getting that I had brought a small code, a one-line code, that is net sh VLAN show profiles and press enter. And what it's do is it will bring us all the profiles or networks registered in your machine or PC or which are in your surroundings. Press enter now. See here you can find all the networks in your surroundings and registered on your PC. But you can only see 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙬 over here because I have blurred it, the other networks. So you need to go down and here you need to press the same code above, and here I want to get 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙬 as a network. So I am going to press 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧, otherwise you can also copy, and here you need to press key is equal to clear. And what it actually does is it will give us password along with all the properties and objects on your profile or network, and press enter now. Here you can see profile information, connectivity settings, security settings and cost settings. You need to go to security settings, and here in the key content your password lies. Here YouTube123 is the password of 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙤𝙬, and it is the same password which I had kept for the network 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙧. And in this way I had cracked a password of a Wi-Fi network. And one more thing I want to say that if you are trying to copy this, just hold down like this and copy. Don't give here any trailing spaces. If you give that, it may give you an error. Just copy like this. Otherwise, if you copied it by giving any trailing spaces, don't give the spaces at down code or the code which I have provided you. And this is the video for today, and I hope that you people enjoyed this tutorial. And if you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and support me. And thank you for watching.